Hey, this is Russell. Welcome back. This is the day that I'm excited for because this is where you get to start building your very first funnel with me together. Now, a lot of people come in like, Russell, I'm getting started. What kind of funnel should I build? You know, I'm in this type of business or I'm in this industry and they don't really know what to do or how to do it. And initially I was telling everyone, I said, stop. I don't care what business you're in. The first funnel you need to build is what we call a hero funnel. Now, a hero funnel, you may or may not ever use it. I don't really care. The biggest thing is I need you to build one funnel because as soon as you build one funnel, then you understand the process. You understand how everything works, how simple it is. That fear of the unknown disappears after you build your first funnel. So I want to build your very first funnel with you. And again, we're going to call it a hero funnel. And basically, a hero funnel is a funnel to talk about you or your company. Okay, it doesn't matter. And again, you may never use this. I don't even care. But I want you to build this because after you've done it once, then you'll be able to do it over and over and over and over again. But you got to do it once. Okay. So will you commit to me to do the hero funnel? It's not going to take you that long. It might take you 30 minutes to an hour or so to do this hero funnel, but it's going to be fun. I promise you. It becomes like a video game, as you will see. And to bribe you even more is at the end of this video game, after you create your first funnel, your hero funnel, I'm actually going to send you in the mail a t-shirt that says Funnel Hacker on it because you will become an official funnel hacker. Now, what is a funnel hacker? Okay, our community of people that use ClickFunnels, we call ourselves funnel hackers. So people who are in there hacking away the marketing, trying to figure out how to sell stuff, how to get our message, our products out to more people. And it's just a really cool community. And you will become an official member and you'll get a t-shirt after you finish your hero funnel. But you have to do it. I don't want you saying, well, my business is different and it doesn't matter. I need you to build the hero funnel because after you build this, you will know exactly how to use ClickFunnels. And after you know how to use it, you can use this to grow your company, other people's companies. It doesn't even matter. So I need you to commit. Will you build a hero funnel with me? All right, that's all I needed. So now that you're committed, all we got to do is go through the steps down below. You see there's a bunch of steps. Take them one at a time. Watch the video. In the video, I'll explain why we're doing this because sometimes we just start, you know, in some tech things, they tell you what to do and you're like, why am I doing this? Like, I want you to understand, like, this is why we're doing this. So understand the why. After you understand the why, then click on the Show Me How button. It'll show you exactly how to do it. Then just go and do it. If you get stuck for any reason, let us know. We can help walk you through the process, but it should be very simple. We've broken these down into micro steps. Each step will probably take you 2 to 5 minutes max. So just do step after step after step. And when you're done, your hero funnel will be done. You will have won this game. You'll get a badge. I'm going to send you out a Funnel Hacker t-shirt in the mail, which is by far my favorite shirts. I wear them to bed every single night. You're going to love yours. It's fun as I travel now. I'm like, on a plane, I see people wearing Funnel Hacker t-shirts. Like, you will start seeing these everywhere because you will become part of a community of amazing entrepreneurs and marketers. But the only way to get this shirt, we don't sell anywhere. The only way to get this is by building out your hero funnel. So you've got to do it. It's not going to take that long. And as soon as you do that, you will have mastered ClickFunnels and you will be amazing at building funnels for you, for your business, and for other people. So that's the game plan. So with that said, start down, click on step number 1, and let's get started.